Many children like to eat French fries, but many parents can't do well at home. Fried fries are not crispy, and it will soften when it gets cold. Well, there are tricks. I will share the detailed method with you today. The French fries fried according to my method are burnt on the outside, even if it's cold, it's crunchy. Dip it in some tomato sauce. It smells so good. First, we prepare 2 fresh potatoes. When choosing potatoes, be sure to choose this yellow-hearted one. Yellow-hearted potatoes are suitable for frying. Let's peel off the potato skins with a peeler first. Then cut a knife on the side of the potato. In this way, when cutting in the next step, it's not easy to slip. Next, cut the potatoes into thinner thick slices. The thickness is about 1 centimeter. It tastes the best. After cutting it all, change the knife and cut it into long strips. We put the cut potato chips in a large bowl. Wash off the starch on the surface of the potatoes with water. This will make the potatoes more crispy. Then replace it with clean water. Soak the potatoes in water and set aside. Then pour a little more water into the pot. After the water boils, add a spoonful of salt. Pour on a little white vinegar. Can increase the toughness of potatoes. Then pour the washed potatoes into the pot and cook them. After it's all cooked, fish it out. Put it in cold water to cool. After the potatoes are cold, fish it out with a colander. Control the moisture inside. After controlling the water, put it in a large bowl. Then add 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch to it. It is also possible to use potato starch. Then mix well with chopsticks. To save a little starch, we can also use our hands. Let every potato can be evenly stained with a thin layer of starch. Finally, like this in the video. Next, pour a little more cooking oil into the pan. Inserting chopsticks can produce dense small bubbles. It means that the oil temperature has reached 50% At this time, you can pour all the potatoes down and fry them. We separate the potatoes with chopsticks. Then keep stirring with chopsticks. Prevent potato adhesion. Fry until the potatoes are set. After the potatoes are fried, let's fish it out first. Put it on the plate for later use. Then keep firing. Raise the oil temperature. Then use a colander to pour off the excess residue on it. When the oil temperature rises, pour the potatoes down and fry them again. Through 2 ray blasts, potatoes can be more crispy to eat. Finally, fry until the surface of the potatoes
It's okay
is golden
if
it sounds like this crunchy sound. A very simple one. Delicious French fries are ready. The French fries fried according to this method are burnt on the outside
crunchy when
and
it's
tender
cold.
on the inside. And dip it in that tomato sauce that kids love. I can't stop eating. In the future, if children like to eat
Don't
French
go out
fries,
and buy it again.
Do it yourself at
Clean
home.
and hygienic.
And it's economical. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video will be shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. I post a different food video every day. See you in the next video.